How to redeem rewards in the Chick-fil-A application or Flick-A app here or the website on your PC or on your mobile device. For this is the main website. As all of you can see, the same interface will be on the application also. So what you have to do is mainly click on the app or website and then to reward redeem points here on the mobile order. To redeem a reward when placing an order in the Chick-fil-A application, you have to select the rewards section and then choose My Rewards from there. Now click on Redeem Reward and follow the prompts to add the item to your mobile order. It will be listed as free at checkout and be redeemed automatically. You don't have to purchase any additional items to redeem a free reward. You may choose redeem later by moving the toggle on the checkout screen. If you accidentally redeem a reward, it cannot be re-added to your account. So this totally depends on you. Use it wisely. Rewards are redeemable for only one of the specified entry or la carte menu items listed under the reward. Thank you so much for watching this video.